guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I've come up with a lazy chicken recipe. You'll have to do nothing, just marinate everything, put it in one pot, that's it. It'll cook by itself. So it's called one pot chicken. So let's begin with the process. So let's take a look at the ingredients. So we have chicken. I've already put a teaspoon of curd, salt and pepper in this. Also, I have a paste of one garlic bulb. Spices, we have turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, Kashmiri red chili powder for color. As I've already added black pepper in this, I'm not adding anything else for like further spiciness. Also, I've chopped 3 small onions. You could use 2 medium or 1 large. And this is a paste of 1 tomato. This will also add a little bit of character to our recipe. So let's begin with the marination process. First, I'll put the garlic paste. Next, I'll add the tomato paste. Then I'll add my spices. First goes the turmeric. Then goes the coriander. Then my garam masala powder. And my Kashmiri red chili powder. Then also I'll add my chopped onion to the marinade. I'll use my nice clean hands to mix it up. So now as we see the ingredients are well mixed in this, I'll leave this marinated for like 30 minutes and then start with the next step of the recipe. So now it's been 30 minutes that I've marinated my chicken with all the spices and the curd and salt and whatever was desirable at that point. I've already shown that in the ingredients part. So now we do next is we'll get a deep bottomed pan because we'll allow the chicken to sit on the flame for quite some time. So we'll need some vessel which has a bottom which is thick and the chicken does not get charred. So I'm using my handi, which has a heavy bottom with a lid, and this recipe requires a very little amount of oil. I'll use just 1 teaspoon of oil for the entire chicken recipe because the chicken will release its fat through the cooking process. So I'll just get my oil. So as we see, the pan and the oil is quite heated up. So now I'll add the chicken to my pan. So here's my chicken. You can very well see the spices being absorbed in this. So now I'll add this to the handi. Once I've added the chicken to my pan, I'll give it a nice stir and then cover and cook it for 15 minutes. I'll cover the chicken with this lid, allow it to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Also, we do not need to add any extra water to the recipe because the chicken will release its own juices. So in case you think that you need little water to be added, you can add it anytime. So here's what it will look like. I've just put the oil and the chicken above it. So I'll let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes by covering it with this. And then we'll check the chicken if it's done or not. So it's been 15 minutes. since I put my chicken and let it sit and cover and cook it. So now the chicken is already cooked properly, it's boiled. So now I'll just open the lid and let it broil for more 10 minutes so that a little water is evaporated and the chicken is a bit like more into the flavors. So let's do that. So here's the chicken, and as you can see, it's broiling, and the chicken has released a lot of its fats. I'll just show you. Just look at this beauty. The chicken has released a lot of its fats. I just used 1 teaspoon of oil in this. The chicken is cooked, and also I did not add any extra water, so this is entirely the juices of the meat that I've used. So I'll just open the lid and leave it for a while to cook by itself. So my chicken is already cooked. So here's the final look of it. Give it a try at home and do let me know how do you like it. That's all for today's video. So that's all for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and keep following me so that every time I come online you get a notification. Stay tuned for more recipes. Bye.